Graphing exponential functions. We're going to graph two. Here, first of all, we're going to graph what they're calling the parent function g of x. And I don't know why they usually call the parent function f of x, but they did not this time. And it's going to be 2 of x, 2 raised to the x power. And then we're going to graph f of x equals 4 times 2 of x. So let's start off with a t-chart. When you have the domain, a lot of times we use -2, -1, 0, 1, 2 because it's close to the origin. It's going to make the algebra a lot easier being small. So that's 2 to the -2. Remember, you don't want a negative exponent, so you're going to put the 1 over 2, and that makes that 2 a positive 2. So that's 1/4. I'm graphing -2, 1/4. So that'd be about right here. And then 2 to the -1 is 1 over 2 to the positive 1, that's 1/2. So now I'm graphing -1, 1/2. And then 2 to the 0, anything to the 0 is 1, so I'm graphing 0, 1. And then 2 to the first power is 2, so that's right 1 up 2. And then 2 squared is 4. So that's right 2 up 1, 2, 3, 4. So this exponential function that they're considering the parent function tends to do this right here. So that is my g of x. Now, let's look at f of x. And it is similar to 2 raised to the x power, except that there is an a with it, which is 4. So that is 4 times 2 to the -2. Remember, 2 to the -2 is 1/4, so that is 4 times 1/4. 4 divided by 4 is 1, so I'm going to graph -2, 1. So left 2, up 1. And then I've got 4 times 2 to the -1. Remember, 2 to the -1 is 1/2, so I have 4 times 1/2. 4 times 1/2 is 4 divided by 2, which is 2, so I'm graphing -1, 2. And then I have 4 times 2 to the 0. That's 4 times that part right there is 1. 4 times 1 is 4. So I'm graphing 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I have 4 times 2 to the first. 4 times 2 is 8. I'm graphing 1, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then 2 to 4 times 2 squared, 4 times 4 is 16. I'm not going to graph 2 to the 16 because it's going to be way up there and it's just a little bit higher than I want to go. So here is the f of x function. Now, they may ask you questions.